Mr. Audiophile, is the scandal about final audio copying ROSESELSA fake news?
Fake news. ROSESELSA is an earbud factory in China, and I've been China. I know China very well. Nobody knows China better than I do. Maybe they are similar, but Japanese, they are really working hard. I believe they are hard working on this. So maybe there is a price gap like 3.78 times, but whatever. It's fine. It's totally okay, okay?
But Mr. Audiophile, what if they are totally same?
Man, shut the fuck up. Final Audio was recently caught red-handed. Their flagship TWS, the ZE3000SV, is splendid copy of ROSESELSA's $33 Series Max X, and it's even underperformance originals. A Chinese blogger named Porting first exposed this scandal on Bilibili. With his permission, I will repost this finding with subtitle on my channel. They claim the 5-time price difference isn't entirely false, because Final copies Chinese work and then sells to them at highest price. This time, Final may not have fooled you or me, but what about next time? That's why we made this. We purchased a brand new Final unit, added the Teardown details, sounds comparison, and the performance data. Also, to pay a tribute to Porting. Today, let's dig in. But hey, don't get me wrong though, we are not ones getting scammed. I mean, really. Now, let's examine the Series Max X driver assembly. First, you will notice an internal feedback microphone mounted on the earbud support bracket. Flip it over, the diaphragm comes into view. Moving to the main control chip. After peeling off the filter mesh, the chip's serial number is clearly visible. It's the WQ7033 SoC from Chongqing Wuqi. The battery, a 3.7 volts, a 0.15 watt-hour lithium cell. And that's the Series Max X fully dissected. Now, let's on to the Final's masterpiece. While prying open the shell, I noticed Final's build quality is questionable. A quick heat gun pass caused the ZE3000SV's shell to warp instantly. It took half time to crack open compared to the Series Max X. Then, when reheating the other side with tweezers, the nozzle just popped off. Guess you get what you paid for only applies the CRPGs, huh? And inside, deja vu. The rear cavity mirrors the Series Max X perfectly. Same mic, same PCB ribbon, same touch grip, just swap to black. After unscrew the support brackets, and even the screws feel like they're from the same factories. Final's black brackets matches their aesthetic. The driver tells the real story. Series Max X uses a modern multi-layer composite diaphragm. As for Final, a retro single-layer threaded diaphragm, which is straight out of 2005 flathead earbuds. As for battery, identical 40 mAh, but Final kindly labeled it on it. Chip showdown. At this point, even I think it's redundant. But let's compare the chips. WQ7033 versus WQ7033. What a coincidence. The difference is, the ZE3000SV's main chip has a slightly shifted crystal oscillator placement because Final used the F8W version 2 versus Series Max X F8W version 1.2. Is this why it's 4-time pricier? Just imagine Windows 10 costing 4 times more than Windows 11. And we've confirmed, both use the same blueprint. Case closed. But wait, other than cheap, aren't all TWS earbuds structurally similar? Maybe Final's $100 tag justifies superior quality. Let's debunk that. For ANC performance, which is a key TWS selling point, the ZE3000SV's ANC curve looks questionable. Above 400 Hz, noise reduction crumbles. It even amplifies certain frequencies. perfect for staying indoors. I guess finals metros don't commute or work, or maybe they blindly trust the Series Max X passive isolation. Series Max X ANC, however, is tuned for a real-world usability. Different opinion? Comment down below for a dedicated ANC sound comparison video. And even their specs list the different battery lives. Did Final reserve extra juice for the earbuds to hire their own PR team? I don't know. And you can argue all day, but sound tuning matters most. So now we really want to things goes ugly, don't we? Here's the showdown between the 2019 Harman Curve Final Audio ZE3000SV and the Series Max X. As we all know, the 2019 Harman Curve remains the highly popular target curve, but just look at the ZE3000SV's bizarre low end and high frequency boosts. I would say it outright. Those legendary Japanese audio masters may have lost their golden touch. Maybe due to the permanent hearing loss. Probably. Now they're slapping on those aggressive boosts to chase what they think is balanced. As for the Series Max X, its frequency response is far smoother, borderline flat. And after I actually use the IRL, the ZE3000SV's bass is downright overwhelming. The tramp of everything, and vocals sound like they're hiding in another room. The Series Max X though, for under like $50, is shockingly content. I mean the warm, pop-friendly tuning, pure ear candy for casual listeners. Fight me, but the ZE3000SV's tuning feels like trash. Still skeptical? Comment down below for some demo video. Let's cut crap. The final ZE3000SV is one of the dummies the scamming audio world right now. Slapping a premium stickers like high-res and VGP awards, blah blah blah, straight up carbon copying artists' R&D achievements, hyping out the brand legacy smoke and mirrors, then launch it at 5 times the market price. And you know what? Whoever bought this will even defended this overpriced garbage just to justify burning their cash. Wait, to tell you the truth, I bought it with my own money. Come on, what I'm doing? Maybe I'm a clown here. Anyways, the Series Max X, congrats buddy, you are indeed a dark horse. For the price, they think punches way above its weight. I stack it against any $50 pair any day. Now, think about it. When prestigious high-end brands start creeping notes from a hi-fi underdog instead of any other brand, that's when you know you must have done something right. About this part, maybe I will do another video someday to tell you more. Okay, that's for today's video. Request audio gear reviews in the comments. I see you soon. Stay sharp, folks.